Okay, that was a little too loud. Let's get the fuck out of here. Oh my god. Oh shit, that was loud. Oh!
Detection recording. Over 10 occurred. On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network. The name starts with...
Well, I hope you can see well at night. The video I recorded last week, unfortunately, I can't use any of the footage because it's for some reason in slow mode. So, that being said, it's all useless, unfortunately. But I gotta get some gas. Gas is going up, so let's go take a look and see how much that is to fill up this GTR. Just gonna let it warm up a little bit more and then we'll head out. Hopefully you can see. I really don't want to drive with this on, but that's bright, so anyways, we'll see. Listen to these paddle shifters. So the GTR is all-wheel drive, right? GTR tire sizing is very, very particular. And what I mean by that is you need to have a rolling diameter within 1%. That means the difference in tires. The stock tires are in the front 255, 40, 20, and the rear is 285, 35, 20. However, when I went to go look at my rear tires, it said 285, 40, 20. And I was under the impression that it was 285, 35, 20. So I'd been running the wrong wheel setup ever since I got this car. And because I got the wrong setup, I believe that's why last year I had an issue with my transmission. I actually had to rebuild it a little bit because I got code. Let me take a look here. The code I sent to my tuner was P0747 pressure control solenoid A stuck on. So when I was driving, I lost second, fourth, and sixth gear. Oh, it sounds so good. Sorry. As I was saying, I lost second, fourth, and sixth gear driving. And I cleared the codes. It came back within 5 minutes. So something was wrong. I actually went to go clean my car and I looked at my tire sizing and it said 285, 40, 20. Now that's not good. And here's why. The rolling diameter is like 3.6%. It needs to be within 1%. So I got some tires and I went over to Nextmod and got them changed because I was so scared to drive this thing knowing that I had the wrong tire size in the back. If one day if you want a GTR, keep this in mind that the tire size matters a lot. When I would come to a stop, the car would jerk a little bit. And now it's gone. So I'm pretty sure because I had the incorrect tire size, that's what was causing it. So now that it's like the correct tire size, everything feels good. And I swear it feels a little bit faster, but again, that could just be me because I'm used to driving my BRZ. So, I don't know. But anyways. Car looks really good at night too. Something about the big wing just looks amazing too. Yeah. Something about this car. I just think it looks amazing. I bet y'all want to hear it. So let me just put the camera down real quick. Okay, that was a little too loud. Let's get the fuck out of here. Oh my god. Oh shit, that was loud. Oh shit. Oh no. I'm stock height too. What the? Okay, it's fine, right? This is just stock. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. We're good. Oh shit, there's a bump right there. Oh god. Alright. Gas says what is 206.9. Let's see how much it'll take to fill up this thing. Oh boy. Oh boy. And the verdict is 109. God damn. This guy with the IS300 came up and talked to me. Really cool dude. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's go home. Gas is way too expensive for this thing. Because, oh my god. Ran into a friend. Masubi. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know how people vlog like, and they're always like steady and shit. Like, hell no. And especially some people drive manual while vlogging too. That's crazy to me. I don't think I could drive manual and vlog at the same time, so. Driving like this is easy with one hand, but driving manual like this would be crazy. Alright, well, thank you all for watching this mini vlog. I appreciate you for coming along with me. I hope I didn't bore you. But stay tuned, I have some more mods coming for this car, and I got wheels and coils for the BRZ, so I'm excited to install those. That I'm excited for. But how can I have to wait a whole year for my wheels to get built for this thing, so oh well. Anyways, thank you all for watching. I appreciate your support. Hit that subscribe button for me, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, and drive safe.